everyone and welcome back to my channel. It's me, Zaf, and today I received this in the parcel. It's the Beauty Bay X NikkieTutorials palette and I'm so excited. It even came with a free pop socket. I'll show you what the packaging looks like. So the whole idea is that there is one side for the colour, the pastels, the bright side, and the other side for the darker, more mysterious nudes and shimmers. The shimmers are so pigmented and so beautiful on the eye. The pressed pigments, if you're not familiar with pressed pigments, then I suggest you practice first because they work slightly differently to normal eyeshadows. Normal eyeshadows are less pigmented and they're easier to blend. So that's the palette, and then it says I am me, and this side the mirror is normal, and then it says you are you, and on that side it's magnified. So the whole idea of that was from her coming out video, which obviously was amazing, and she's done so much for our community since, so I'm really happy and glad that she's got a collaboration. It comes with a card that has another little message on it, but this is every single shade, and then the brush indicates that it's best used with a brush, and the nail indicates that it's best used with your fingertip. So you can mix and change and just go through the advice. I will be doing more looks with this surely, but I just want to get this quick little video out and I'll come back with some more videos in the future. If you want to see how I achieved this look using the NikkieTutorials times Beauty Bay palette, then please keep on watching. I haven't done a video in so long, I'm scared. Anyways, so I've already got my eyebrows on. I used the Benefit Brow Styler. Just use some concealer to clean it up, and my MAC Painterly Paint Pot for the base of my eyelid. I'm gonna just get one brush, fluffy brush. A green shimmer. I want to use Mr. Tutorials on the lid and maybe a bit of Pride for the inner corner, but I think I want to have kind of more of a browny green tone towards the end. So I'm not sure whether to start with brown or to start with green. And in case you guys wondered, I'm using the Dress Up Luxe All Over Shader brushes and that collection that you can find easily on Amazon. I'm just going to gently press into the shade Ill. I'm just going to, wow, these are so pigmented. Okay, I'm just going to stamp that on. And I'm going to go slowly with this because I just want to take my time to get the shape right as well. One thing that should be hopefully good is that if the performance of the shimmers live up to what I've seen online, I won't have to cut my crease. We love saving steps. Okay, that's laying down nicely. Then I'm going to take another brush. So Basic True is basically a nude shade, and then Mila is like a brownie shade. I think we're going to go into Mila on the edge of the green. Oh. I'm just stamping it on. I'm not really blending it yet. And then we're going to go back into that Ill shade and just start blending those together. I'm really happy with that. Then we're just going to take a bigger, fluffier brush, and then we are going to go into that shade Basic Truth, which is Basic Bitch in Dutch. So just going to blend over the top. Then we're going to go back in with the Mila shade and just layer up again. We're going to take the shade 5 AM, which is the darkest brown, and we're going to use that to build up the edge of the eye. I'm just going back and forth because the placement is not identical. Trying to get that blend and to get a more symmetrical placement. We're going to go into Mr. Tutorials, and I'm going to take it on my finger. They're so pretty. Okay, and then we're going to go back in with the green. I don't think we're going to add any more, we're just going to blend it a bit. It's super reflective. That's more or less where I wanted it. Let's take that shade All In right there, which has so many different coloured reflex, but it's got green and gold in it. So I'm going to just take that on the centre of the lid. Oh my god, insane. Wow, that is incredible. I'm shook. That is my favourite shimmer shade ever that I've ever used. Like, it almost looks like a glitter, but it's not uncomfortable like glitters. Oh my gosh, that is so pretty. I kind of want to put it on my collarbone. I'm so happy. Literally, I would buy the palette again just for that one shade. We're going to take our Revolution Peach Concealer. I forgot to put primer on. Let's take a bit of this Milk Makeup Primer. And I put it mainly on the nose. And I like to do patting motion. Partly because I've got concealer on, and partly because I think it adheres to the skin better. If I wanted to be even more dewy, I would go in with a cream as well, also sunscreen, but as it's kind of overcast today, I think I can get away with not using sunscreen. No one's gonna know, apart from you lot, but other than you guys, no one will know that I don't have sunscreen on, so don't tell Ree, because she will come for me. Anyway, this is totally unnecessary, to be honest, especially for me. Whenever I do brown or green or a dark colour like that on the eye, I smoke underneath anyway, so it kind of covers up my bag. I'm going to put some of this Autograph M&S liquid highlighter, our beauty blender or beauty sponge, and we're just going to dab it on her face. That actually looks really pretty. It's gonna get covered up by foundation anyway, but something about layering stuff up does actually really work. It's like, I tend not to do it because I don't have time, and I don't have time today, so I don't know why I'm doing it now, but I want to be flawless for my NikkieTutorials shoot. I'm gonna use my Ordinary foundation, and I've got two shades. The first shade I got was 3.0R, and it works because it's foundation elixir. So it blends into your skin, but it's a bit too dark. It's kind of my summer shade. And then I repurchased it in the shade 2.1Y. And I might just use my hand actually. I'm going to do 2 pumps of that for the other one. It's really liquidy, by the way. And then 1 pump. Start at the perimeters. Okay, right, I think I'm gonna do my base off camera. And I just put on some mascara, I contour, and then I doubled that up with the MAC Mineralised Skinfinish in Deep Dark. And then I put some highlighter on the Maybelline Materchrome Molten Gold highlighter. So we're gonna go back in with Mila. Apply this on our waterline. Pink packaging. I love a good pink packaging. And then we're just going to take a bit of 5 AM and the same brush. I'm going to take the shade Pride on the other side as well. Nikkie, come through. I'm going to do the rest of my face, and I'll be back with you for my final thoughts. I just did my everyday Fenty lip, and then I put some highlighter from Artist Couture. I am obsessed with the eyeshadow. It turned out really nicely. So thank you everyone for watching my YouTube video, and please stay tuned for more content, and make sure you subscribe, give this video a like, and leave your comments down below. Thank you so much. Bye.